So in a box plot, you can see immediately certain figures there. Q1, Q2, Q3. Oh, I can't really see, right? Sorry. Q1, Q2, Q3. What else can I see? What else can I read off here? What does these two lines at the ends mean?
Minimum and maximum.
Good. Minimum or smallest and maximum largest. Okay? So even without doing anything, you can already see these kinds of things already. Alright? So, okay, so for median height, which one of the
Middle.
things here are we referring to for median?
Middle. Middle.
Q2, which is 50%, and which is the middle that you're talking about. Correct? 50% is at the middle.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm reading off this value over here. What is it?
12.4.
12.4?
Yeah.
Do you all agree?
Yeah. Which boy is 2? I mean 0.2.
12.4 meter. Next, range. Range actually just means maximum minus minimum. And based on values, 19.8 minus 7, which is 12.8 meters. Interquartile range. Revise.
Q3 minus Q1.
Very good. So what are the Q3 minus Q1 values?
Thank you.
16.2 minus 9.4, which is 7.8, if I'm not wrong. Okay, sorry. 6.8. Okay, so in location B, the median height is 13.3 and the range of height is 13 and the interquartile is 5.9. Now, look at how they're asking you guys. We are comparing, we're doing this comparison that we did last time before. But what are they trying to compare? Which trees are taller on average?
Average means
Median for A is 12.4. The range is 12.8. Oops. The range is 12.8. So for the other one, 13.3, range is 13. So in general, what would you say is the taller trees? Location B, right? So we must write down in proper sentence. Location B, trees are taller on average. Because what are we looking at to compare? Because the median height
And the range of the height.
for B is higher. So what I'll do is I'll just put 13.3 bigger than 12.4. I'm comparing the two heights, median heights. And actually I don't need to say the range. That's all. 1 mark only mah. Right? So I'm also a bit lazy. This question they're actually only asking for mean in this context. However, you still need to calculate, right? So let's revise. In this kind of table where there's a range, what should I do with the range?
put in the middle number.
Find the median of
Find the middle. In other words, 35 plus 30 divided by 2,
32.5.
which is 32.5. That's the number you're going to put in the calculator. Same for here, 37.5, 48. You look carefully.
Both? Okay, how many? This one 45.
Yes, this one is 45. 40 and 50. They might play trick on you, so you got to be observant. Which happened here. And this one 10 again, so 55. Hence, let's all try this together. Can you all take out your calculator and start keying these values and you tell me what is the mean? So mean is this symbol on your calculator if you remember. So some of you put 41.15
41.15.
cm. Is this accurate?
Yes.
Okay. 2 of the trees are picked at random. What is the probability that both have a diameter greater than 40 cm? So first of all, is this a single event or more than one event?
More than one.
How many things am I picking here?
2.
I'm picking 2 things. So actually if I do by 3, you should see a double thing like we've seen before. So by in particular, what is the outcome that we're interested in? More than 40 cm. So which category?
40 and above.
40 and above. So actually is this group here, right? Can you see this, everyone?
Yes.
How many are there here?
2. 31 plus
44.
40 not double total.
44.
40 what? 31 plus 13 lah. So 44. So now I assume I'm going to pick my 2 but I must start by picking 1 first.
Yes.
Okay, you must start with the 1 first. So 44 over total how many? 100 right on top there. You see that? So this is my first tree that I picked that is going to be above 40 cm. So assume I already picked this one tree. I put it aside. How many trees do I have left? 43 out of 1 less total also. And then you just multiply them lah.
Yeah.
I picked the first tree, 44 out of 100. I picked the second tree, 43 left only mah.
Oh. I thought you draw the long.
So what's the answer?
3 over
3 over 225.
43
225.
over 225. That's the answer lah.